Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? Today we have this short natural haircut that will really complement your face shape. This is a haircut that will frame your face for that sharper look. It's a haircut that I will show you different ways how you can achieve them, and it's one of the most flattering short natural hairstyles for you to consider. This haircut on its own is a showstopper, because it's something that is different, and you can see that the haircuts, they are always on trend because they are both practical and elegant. One thing I love about this hairstyle is that it's a cut that looks particularly appealing and is playful on older women. So you can see how this haircut is best worn, with that touch of a texturizing cream on the ends to really emphasize the contrast between the length. Another beautiful thing I love about this haircut is that it's a style that you can style in different ways. It's not boring at all. It's a haircut that you can rock anywhere and anytime because it's really elegant, and it's a style that you need to use the right moisturizers and conditioners to keep your health intact. So let me just let you guys to please suffer the rest of the styles we have. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and please don't just watch, but please subscribe, help to share this video to your loved ones, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.